Shwetaji are very against the color black. What is the reason why is black black? Because actually on us it looks really nice. We look skinny also. So why can't we wear black?
I know black has its plus points. कुछ कुछ चीजें तो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आती है. It's not good. And you don't like the crow sitting there and doing caw caw. You don't like मैं तेरा मुंह काला कर दूंगा. Maximum जितनी गाड़ियों की accidents आप देख रहे हो, you can Google it. All are of black cars.
What is fate number and destiny number? फर्क क्या है? How do we know हमारा fate number and destiny number क्या है?
The first date of your birthday is your fate number. Good, bad, ugly, whatever those numbers are, we can't go in mummy's tummy and come back again. So we are here with those numbers. बुरे भी हो सकते हैं, अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. But I don't think anybody tells me अच्छे numbers हैं मेरे पास. I'm very lucky. Everybody comes to pick and one second that. आपके स्पेलिंग में इतना जादू है कि it can make it better. Kishore Kumar was a number 4. Sri Devi was a number 4. Both of them had untimely, unnatural deaths. Both their names were coming on number 4s. So नाम अगर उनका थोड़ा अच्छा होता तो शायद सिचुएशन इतनी खराब नहीं होती, दोनों का एंड इतना बुरा नहीं होता. My career as a numerologist started with Lokmat. It was the first paper who gave me space to write my thoughts, talk about numerology, and for many, many years, I was a columnist over there. Of course, I had a ghostwriter and not so old in Marathi, but that was the stepping stone I needed, to give me the branding of a numerologist. And now, again, after so many years, we have met, and I'm so happy to be a part of. Wow, I feel wow amongst you, such beautiful women. Thank you for making me feel wow. And Ruchira, I'm so glad we met. And Libra and Gemini should go along me.
Wow, you have a great memory too. So what touched me most about you, Shwetaji, when we met in Aurangabad was your authenticity, honesty, and kindness. And just to share with all of you, while we were recording a podcast there, Shwetaji was so kind to the team that was recording. तुम लोग को क्या पूछते हैं मुझे पूछ लो, तुम्हारा नंबर क्या है, तुम्हारा डेस्टिनी नंबर ये है. It was so nice. Who does that? Noticing every single person in the room, talking to everyone from the makeup artist, you have left an impact in everybody's heart. So when we announced this event in Nasik, everybody has sent love from Aurangabad for you. So I'm going to start with one very simple question. What is the fund of the number 24 over here? Today we all have it written on our hands.
It's very good. Now, first of all, I have shared one message with Dia. Did you share it on the group? Yes. First of all, I want you all to pick up your phones. Send that message to all your groups. Then we'll do the Agiga talk. I'm sorry. Marketing का ज़माना है. कि हमारे friends के friends. And see, why I'm not ashamed of marketing nowadays is because I know what I'm giving you in exchange. That confidence is in me. I know I'm charging peanuts and I'm selling gold. Since so many years, you have been, it's 25 years we are in the market. Not only film industry, businessmen, all of you know Sanjay Vodawat ji. He's from your community, most of you are Marwadis. So he was on a motorcycle when he came to me. And we all know his airlines today. So these magics now, once Sanjay Vodawat I have to mention, Shah Rukh Khan we have to mention, Ekta Kapoor we have to mention. But even the Ambanis or all the cricketers, they are our clients. But why do I keep hopping city to city? She was just telling me, Avanu, Sakhi Manch, will you get people over there? I said that they are the raw people who need me the most. So I know my spellings, little changes that I give you all take you places. But guys, I hope I can do a video call with you, show you that person. Pratik Tandon in my building. He was a schizophrenic. Grown up. One last time I gave you an example of my building guy. There was a bacha. This is another one. Schizophrenic. And he's become normal. He started working. He's drawing a huge salary as a maths teacher. And every evening when I'm walking down, I like to run away when I see him because he has to come and fall on my feet, and it's so embarrassing. So he said, "See, auntie, I hope you today. See, my 24 is over here today, and you have changed my life." And Parso again he got me mithai. So I said, "I changed your life. Why are you making me more fatter?" I don't need that mithai. But and you see him talking. He was actually taking medication for schizophrenia, and all these magics happen with that little spelling tweak. So I know what I'm selling. I'm so confident of my product. That's why you can tell me. Somebody outside told me I'm glowing. I said makeup, but it is actually deep within that, light. And I always say whenever I get a chance, thank you, God, for giving my family this opportunity. I don't know what you saw in our family, but father, brother, me. Now you know my nephew Anish and Vaishnavi are also entering. My son-in-law has started doing Vastu because now that's one subject that is connected to ours. So we are all a family is doing these things now. Okay. So did you all post that you will think? Oh, now we can start talking about you guys.
So I'm going to repeat the question. What is the funda or behind the number 24 and to write it here on our hand?
Now see, there are so many numbers, but 6 is the number of Shukra. Kalyu, you know, is ruled by Shukra. So in 6 also there are many octaves. 6, 50, 24, 33. We don't go beyond 52 because there are only 52 weeks in a year. So 365 days has only 52 weeks. So numbers may we don't go beyond 50. So 60, 69, 60 still be okay, but 69, 78, they're not good octaves of number a 6. 15 is also okay, and 51 also is not a very good octave of 6. In my experience, 24 has, see, first of all, whatever remedies we give you in all experience, slowly it came to us. Not like Moses, एक दिन में ऊपर से 10 commandments आ गए. We had to go through it, and we got all the knowledge by experiencing it on self. So 24, I realized, and you know my father is in this from so many years, my brother is in this from so many years. So hum sabka hard work 10, 20 years se jara. I think I was not even in class 5 when I started numerology. So with experience, I tried 37, I tried 33, I tried 42, 42. But then I realized 24 ही घंटे होते हैं हम सबके पास. So 24 for me turned out very good, and then I started spreading it, and 99% people think it helps them. There is one type of people who it doesn't suit. So then for them 33 is a good option. In fact, yesterday only I had my client from Nagpur. She came to Pune to meet me. She told me that 33 suits her better. So that is a rare case. 2, 3 people I have met who have told me 33 suits them more than 24. But in general, 20. Then I started writing. When I heard somebody say 33 is other suit, I started writing for 10 days. I was not happy. I went back to my 24. So everything is about, trial and error. I think 24 hours we all have rich people, poor people, Hindu people, Muslim people, lazy people. Everybody has 24 hours. So make the best of it. That's how I think it is.
So how do we know if it's suiting us or not?
So anything, see, whether it is diamonds, it's your hairstyle, it's your clothes, until you don't do it and check in the mirror, you will not know, okay, is it suiting me, not suiting me. New hairstyle भी कभी कभी odd हो जाता है. So try writing. You're not losing anything. You're not paying anything. You're not buying it. Just write for a few months. See how you feel. What few months? 3, 4 days mein only you will come to know. Feeling calmer, quieter, at peace. My all remedies, will put you in a shot. Like I do from past 20 years I'm drunk. In fact, I used to drink, I used to smoke. Everything stopped once I started doing all these things. The day you had a party at home and my mother saying, "Where's your glass?" I said, "I've not noticed, I've stopped drinking." पहले तो पीछे पड़ती थी. Stop drinking, stop this, stop that. Now when I finally don't drink, she's asking me, "Where's your glass?" So nothing I like more than all these things I'm doing. I'm constantly at a high. इतना high होता है, I don't need anything in my life. It's so good.
Wow. So, Shwetaji, are very against the color black. What is the reason why is black black? Because actually on us it looks really nice. We look skinny also. So why can't we wear black?
So imagine in this room who needs to look more skinny. So that person is wearing dark navy blue, which is closer to black. I know black has its plus points. Do you remember your nana nannies, great grandparents ever wearing black? No. कुछ कुछ चीजें तो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आती है. It's not good. And you don't like the crow sitting there and doing caw caw. You don't like मैं तेरा मुंह काला कर दूंगा. You don't like मुंह काला होना. You like? You don't like going out in the dark night. You're afraid of darkness. So everything black is uneasy. It's the color of Shani Maharaj. Saturn काले कपड़े पहनते हैं. तुम्हारे में पावर है Saturn के जैसे. उतना एनर्जी है. With black, maybe power comes, whatever comes, but you know what of stress also comes. And why we need that in this short life? जितना अवॉइड कर सको अवॉइड करो. गो फॉर नेवी ब्लूज. अच्छा ऑल लाइक अ स्कूल है वो ब्लैक शूज. wouldn't go against the law, man. Then some forms we have to sign with black government forms. हाँ जरूरी है मेरे गाड़ी के टायर्स का नया है वो वहाँ चेंज करो. हैंडल काला है तो ऊपर से नया वाला लगा दो. वेयर ऑल वी कैन वी शुड गो विद ब्लैक. मैक्सिमम जितनी गाड़ियों की एक्सीडेंट्स आप देख रहे हो यू कैन गूगल इट. ऑल आर ऑफ ब्लैक कार्स. रात को अंधेरे में ब्लैक दिखाई नहीं देता हो. That could be the reason. But maximum cars are all black in accidents. Now Trump has started wearing a blue a lot. Otherwise he was into black. He went to the Vatican also for the Pope's funeral in black. Sorry, blue. Then again people asked him why. भी ब्लू पहन के वो आसमान पे चढ़ा हुआ है. नहीं ये should start wearing black again. Sometimes ये भी होता है. You're using a good color as they are getting good.
And red is an auspicious color according to Hinduism. But last time when you were in Aurangabad, you were talking about avoiding red also. Why is that?
See, this year in IPL, only two teams which came up, RCB and Preeti Zinta's Kings 11. ये दोनों कहीं नहीं थे, किधर नहीं थे इतने सालों से. और अचानक in number 9 here, which is a number Mars, red color, they reached over there. Okay? The one who won, इसके यूनिफॉर्म में थोड़ा ब्लू था. Got it? तो टीचर का वोट रेड में लिखा होता है. Why we Hindus have a red sindoor which none of us are wearing, but why it is just so the other people should know. Don't look here. That's the reason. So agan hai wo. She's somebody else's wife. You can't look.
Interesting. I never knew that. So let's get to numbers now. What is fate number and destiny number? फर्क क्या है? How do we know हमारा fate number and destiny number क्या है?
Okay, so the first date of your birthday is your fate number. Like I'm 29. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 is again 1 plus 1, 2. Then there's your zodiac sign. I'm a Gemini, so I'm ruled by 5 also. And then you have to add your entire birth date and you come to a destiny number. This is your destiny number. It's called as your destiny number. Now these three numbers are what makes you. Good, bad, ugly, whatever those numbers are, we can't go in mummy's tummy and come back again. So we are here with those numbers. बुरे भी हो सकते हैं, अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं. But I don't think anybody tells me अच्छा numbers है मेरे पास. I'm very lucky. Everybody comes to me can 1 second now. So for me the entire total is also 2. So I missed out on 1 number. 2 इधर आ गए और 5. So I'm only ruled by 2 and 5. Which technically only 5 is one of the best numbers in my numbers. But then I changed my spelling from Shweta to Sweta and brought it on number 6 and फिर शुक्र आ गया मेरी life में. And all these things which I have seen from past 25 years is magic. Only magic happens when your numbers are right. So जो भी आपका birth date हो, आपका नाम is what? नाम रह जाता है. After we go from here, Gandhi ji, everybody knows, MF Hussain, people know. Nobody knows their date of birth. So naam reh jata hai. So your naam has to come on a beautiful vibration.
So as our members are sitting here and most of us don't understand this. सो हर एक नंबर का क्या मीनिंग होता है, लाइक 1 का क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है, 2 का क्या होता है, हाउ कैन वी यूज इट टू help ourselves to go forward,
Correct.
even our children, our careers.
Okay. So for every number, I have a video on YouTube. Once you're going home, your birth date ka, you on the video. Supposing you're born on 25. So type Shrita Jumani number 7. Or I have opened you and kept there like a book. You will be shocked how many secrets I know about you. I know your inside out. So that's your fate number. Then also go and see your destiny number का video and your zodiac sign का video. ये भी आपको देखना है. So let's start with one number which is the sun. So all born on 1, 10, 18, 1, 10, 19 or 24, 28 are number 1. फिर आप कौन सा भी मार्क किया. We are only taking fate numbers today. Otherwise numerology के we can talk for 20 hours. So fate number आपका अगर 1 है, so you are ruled by the sun. अगर आपका फेट नंबर का बर्थडे का टोटल इज एडिंग टू 2, then you're ruled by the moon. So naturally one will have elements of the sun, the characteristics of the sun, like Indira Gandhi, Ambani's Mukesh Ambani, his wife Geeta Ambani, Ratan Tata, Bill Gates, Dhirubhai Ambani, they are all number ones. Aishwarya Rai. So one number is going to lead. 2 is moon. Moon is, comes out in the night, lazy, emotional, sensitive. There, Gandhiji, he said, stop the war, but the country, but just stop killing people. तो sensitivity इनमें थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है. Name and fame भी इनको मिलता है. So mostly you will see number 2 people are Shahrukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Rajesh Khanna. All these superstars, even Michael Jackson, Leonardo DiCaprio, he's a number 2. So superstar बनने के लिए वो number चाहिए जो मेरा भी है, thankfully. So that is creativity. So if any of you are number 2, you're a kind-hearted person, likes creativity and should follow his or her talents. They're very passionate. Like I also gave you example of Michael Jackson, a number 2. ठीक है? Now 3 is an out-and-out businessman. Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, my brother Sanjay P. Chumani, without whom numerology wouldn't have taken this big a scale. My father and me are both number 2s. So we are doing our part. But he was the real person to, because of his marketing skills and all these things, he was a real one too. And since he entered, and number 3 is a businessman number. So most of you are from Marwadi community, so you know कि buying, selling, जो ट्रेन है, जो बिकेगा आप वो दुकान खोल सकते हैं. My brother also is like that, number 3. Zero knowledge about numerology, but he entered. क्योंकि मजबूरी थी. Everybody was looking for this Pansilalam Jumani and Papa couldn't handle alone. I was in Ahmedabad with my husband who was in the Indian Air Force, so we had a transferable job. I used to come Saturday, Sundays and make all Ekta Kapoor's क्योंकि संजय वॉज नॉट फुल्ली इनटू दैट. सो स्पेलिंग बनाना उस वक्त उसको आता नहीं था. तो क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, कुसुम इज दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द जॉब्स आई हैव बीन डूइंग विद पापा. एंड देन ही एंटर्ड फुल फ्लेज्ड एंड नाउ ही ईट्स नंबर्स मोर देन मी. फैमिली गैदरिंग पे भी ऐसा तू यहाँ तो न्यूमरोलॉजी मत पिछाड़, एवरीबडी नोज. फैमिली गैदरिंग पे भी वो नंबर शुरू हो जाता है. सो मच ही इज एडिक्टेड नाउ. सो वंस यू आर इनटू समथिंग एंड वंस द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी केम ऑन हिम, ही टुक इट. That is a number 3 people. They will take the responsibility and show you results. Very hard working. So if your husbands are number 3, don't keep cribbing. They will not give you any time. And some other things also they may not give you because they are too busy making money. So that is a little bit side effect of being married to a number 3. And 4 is a little bit uneasy. 3 is ruled by Jupiter, 4 is ruled by Uranus. तो ये लोगों की लाइफ थोड़ी दूसरे लोगों से डिफिकल्ट होती है. बट एज आई सेड, आपके स्पेलिंग में इतना जादू है कि इट कैन मेक इट बेटर. किशोर कुमार वॉज अ नंबर 4, श्रीदेवी वॉज अ नंबर 4. बोथ ऑफ देम हैड अनटाइमली अननेचुरल डेथ्स. बोथ देयर नेम्स वर कमिंग ऑन नंबर 4s. सो नाम अगर उनका थोड़ा अच्छा होता तो शायद सिचुएशन इतनी खराब नहीं होती, दोनों का एंड इतना बुरा नहीं होता. जबकि they did for Bollywood, both of them have really done artistic things for Bollywood. So जिसके भी 4s and 8s हैं वो पहले मेरे पास आओ, अगर आपको आपके बच्चे हो आपके फैमिली हो, ये मैं सबको बोलती हूँ, बाकी तो आओ ही आओ, बट 4s and 8s need me the most. Then is the 5, one of the most lucky number, free spirited, बिंदास रहते हैं, खाते हैं पीते हैं, लाइफ एंजॉय करते हैं. They are one of the good numbers. And the best thing about them is they do with their age. So मेरे को भी 5 रूल करता है. So I'm also now 60. I think I'm doing good. So Amir Khan है number 5. Doesn't look his age. Madhubala, Deepika Padukone, Kajol. They are all number 5. Even now this new girl Aneet Padda of Sayara. So Sayara is also Shimani 5. The total comes to 11. Both the girl and the boy are born on 5. This time, Aditya Chopra made sure to release on his lucky date, 18th July. Took Sayara title going up for Mohit Suri is our client, and he changed his spellings to Mohit T Suri and put it on a good number. So, सबसे बड़ी hit ये साइड की भी जो मैंने फैली है. So, and of course, songs में amazing. I'm still listening to them from that day on loop. वही अच्छा लगता है. कुछ कोई गाने ही नहीं अच्छे लगते हैं. So, movie was good, not bad, but not excellent. मगर फिर भी बुरी नहीं थी. आजकल जो आ रहा है उसके मुताबिक बुरी नहीं थी. अच्छा, since we are on movies, I want you to watch Sue from So. This is just off track, nothing to do with neurology or anything. It's a Kannada movie which I literally went in the theater and saw because subtitles थे. And people told me it's very bit funny. थोड़ा शुरू में I got bored, मगर it is like Stree kind, you know, little horror, and I loved it till the end. Very nice. It's off track. If anybody is voting, maybe I can. I don't know. मेरे यहाँ तो थी. So 5 number is a number you should have around you as business partners or something. It's a nice number. But the real best number, as you know, I love is 6. So 5 is mercurial. It is ruled by Mercury. 6 is Shukra. So that also is an amazing number. As I said, right 24 or right 33 or right 42. आप देखो आपको क्या सूट होता है. कुछ number ones को 37 भी सूट हो सकता है. So number 1 people can write 37 also and try how it suits them. So 6 number people are into entertainment, music, all these things. So they also very creative. Sachin Tendulkar, Neerav Chopra. Both have done amazing. They are both 24. Walt Disney, number 6. Paris, number 6. Our Pune, number 6. So we all know Pune was nothing and now where it has gone. Talking about Nasik, try to spell Nashik, S-H-I-K. That comes on 17, which is 8. But it is better than Nasik, N-A-S-I-K. So 17 is one total which you can't use emergency में, otherwise don't use. But you can. It's not so bad as other 8s. So we finished 6. No, so 6 is one of the most beautiful numbers. Pune se Pune ho gaya. That was the reason I went there. The only reason I chose that city to settle down was that. That's what I think. But I think it's a city of Ganpatis, and Ganpati Bappa wanted one more. So he got to be there. I'm a big fan of Ganpati since I'm born. So maybe he wanted me close to him. And he changed the city name to Pune, and I was there, and it has given me everything that city has given me. Taken me places. I'm still in the same house, same little office. Everything is same. But people recognize me in Ireland. Anywhere I go, touch wood, touch wood. The day I went to a temple, there was only one lady over there. I'm doing my puja thing and she's saying, "You're Shweta Jamani." Only one person over there. So all these things have happened because of, thanks to my house number, which is 6, my own number, which is 6. I chose a husband whose birthday is 1. तो वो तो मैंने choose करके किया था कि I need a powerful partner. I knew numbers from bachpan, so I did that. So it paid off, touch wood. And 8, as you are 7. Now 7 is a mysterious number. How many of you 7 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Even you don't know what is happening next. So you'll live by the moment, a very exciting life. Next जन्म में क्या होने वाला है बहुत कम. But if you're a number 7 and into fitness, regular fitness to keep your mind and body fit, little meditation, little yoga if you do, you'll be a totally different person. That will give you much better. Otherwise, you'll be weighed down with your nonsense thoughts, which don't even have any real meaning. Those thoughts bend us more than the real life. So, number 7's ka bas wohi hai, they should also be in creativity, never be free, especially a number 7 woman should never sit at home watching Netflix. She should do something, be on the move. Do little. You all are very fond of animals, NGOs, लोगों की सेवा करना. So if you don't want to make money, then at least do that kind of a service. वैसे उसमें भी बहुत अच्छे पैसे मिल जाते हैं. Now 8, as you know, थोड़ा हम लोग 8 को बदनाम करते हैं. Though 8 number people are one of the best, good humans, very nice people, but luck में गड़बड़ हो जाता है. इनको सौरव थोड़ा ज़्यादा आता है दूसरे लोगों से. So they will do the best for everybody in the family, but they don't get credit. Now, this is a story of every woman also, we can say. But number 8 के साथ 2% ज़्यादा उनको तकलीफ आती है. So their trials are more, of course it is शनि, no? So trials are more, लेकिन जिस दिन शनि देता है फिर छप्पर ठाट के देता है. Got it? So 8, I always say bring your name number at least on a lucky date. Do Hanuman Chalisa every day. If you can't say it, then listen to it. Saturdays, try to go to Hanuman temple. And that's why I posted a pic. You kept me at wow. You recommended that I should go to wow. Kal raat ko to maine nahi dekha. Subah subah. It's a big Hanumanji outside. The Treat Hotel. Oh, really? Yeah, the Treat Hotel. Huh? Yeah. So Hanumanji was there. I saw in the morning. सो हनुमान जी आप सबके लिए अच्छे हैं. एवरी मॉर्निंग आप लोग सुबह उठते ही चालू कर दो. सो चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, हस्बैंड्स आर गोइंग टू ऑफिस, तुम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट बना रहे हो, जस्ट प्ले हनुमान चालीसा, पूरा दिन का प्रोटेक्शन. सो 8 तो शुड डू दिस ओनली. 9 इज अ फाइनल कंप्लीशन. नंबर 9 सो के लाइफ में इंटरफेरेंस, बिकॉज ये सब नंबर्स आते हैं. So 9 is a kick back.
For that chosen 9 wale.
That is why though they have that progress to be reaching there, to be something, helping. All the numbers के boss number 9 होते हैं. So they might put bosses. And that's why you can handle all these things now and take it places. No, but yeah, you're good at this. 9 Libra तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. You will spread your wow community a lot.
Thank you. आपकी blessing मिल गई है.
Yes.
Blessing.
Yeah. So they are leaders, little angry sometimes, but see Salman Khan, Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, Khalli, they're all number 9. So सलमान खान ने ऐश्वर्या को थप्पड़ लगाई, जैकी चैन और खल्ली और ब्रूस ली अपना एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. So do you decide what you want to do? So these are the little bit characteristics of people. But then, as I said, we are made of 3 numbers. Your destiny number, your zodiac sign. For some people, not the zodiac sign, you can see in them more. For some people, you can see the destiny number more. So some of you may feel, okay, I don't feel like this number 1 quality. You might feel like the number of your destiny. So my brother had 8. My brother has 8. My father has 8. So first part, life was very struggleful. Though लोग बोलते हैं कि destiny number बाद में आता है, so second half, many people say that, कि second half को impact करता है. No. At least in Sanjay's case, the struggle part was in the beginning and then the 3 number to go. So कोई भी number कभी भी हमारे life में work करता है. So instead of depending on dancing on them, we have to start following our name. I give you all remedies like signature. Now I've come here, I finished my signing. Because जब तक श्वेता जुमानी sign नहीं करती हूँ, I don't start my day. Shweta is a बचपन से great numerologist, but my father told me you're better than me. I said, Papa, I've learned from you. How can I be better than you? but वो पापा का प्यार था. He said you're better than me. And all these things are from childhood. But जब से Sweta आई है, other things have happened which Shweta couldn't do. So today also I signed before coming here. So that Sweta लिख के उसके vibrations sir.
So, in fact, that was my next question to you. How does our name have impact on our destiny? And what you just said कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा नाम tweak कर ले तो numbers पे depend नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, exactly. Now you know, according to the जन्म कुंडली, वहाँ पर भी हर थोड़े-थोड़े दिन में पंडित जी डराते हैं, अभी तुम्हारी ये दशा चल रही है, तुम्हारा ये वक्री हो गया है. My शनि की महादशा has started from 2020 and it's for 19.5 years. So मेरा लास्ट का बुढ़ापा is going with शनि जी. 5 साल बीत चुके हैं. But अभी जब से मेरे को I don't know these things, but some person just mentioned to me, and then वो थोड़े दिन तो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया ऐसे. मैं तो जिंदगी भर आठ करते रहती हूँ. मैंने तो शनि भगवान के बारे में इतना कुछ बोला है. उनका सर्किट फिनिश हो बिल्कुल ऐसा पी बैक कर जाए कि oh my god, I was shit scared for some time. मेरी बैंड हो जाएगी, ये है वो है. Then mind will settle down. I don't want to show off here, but in 2020 only I made 2 houses for my staff. So when I started researching on शनि की महादशा, they said कि नहीं इसमें अच्छा भी होता है, तुम अपने स्टाफ के लिए करो, लोगों के लिए करो. मैंने कहा वो तो मुझे तो पता नहीं था शनि की महादशा स्टार्टिंग, but he made me do it. So before he entered my life, he made me do the best thing. We all know that it's not a small thing, you know, make house for anybody. सब लोग भी करते हैं. So that Shani already made me do. So then when I researched about it, I became relaxed. And फिर मैं अपना remedies use करते my life has been absolutely normal. In fact, I bought a couple of more properties than I expected. But अभी उसका भी stress चलता ही रहता है, वो भी शनि कराता है. Then I said, because he is very good in properties also, na? So unexpectedly last year I bought 2 flats. So now that EMI stress is with me, but then I tell Shani now, you have bought me, बोला it's not you manage. So हम लोग ये सब करके एक कवच बना लेते हैं. Once the kavach is around us, your lucky number, your lucky color, your lucky stone, whatever, and life is just beautiful and magical. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll go and see which type of people have gone from. Now, this is one lady from, I feel bad to take that 24,000 from there. It मुझे बुरा लगता है because they are doing video call from home, from some village. So very basic people, very basic house, and they are paying me 24,000. माझ्या वडिलांसाठी तुमच्याकडे आले, आज माझं खावा लगी होऊन आली आहे. The third time she came to me for her husband. Day before yesterday, she came to me for her sister. In 1 year, those people have arranged 1 lakh rupees to give me because the father was bedridden, paralytic. He has started moving, but he's not signing. Mother is signing. I said, tell somebody to sign for him because his new spelling का vibration उसको नहीं, उसको paralysis भी हुआ and he's not believer also. So I have made him change the position of sleeping, gave him some other tips and all. And मैं कोई वीडियो पर यार film, I charge too much. But then benefits इतने मिलते हैं and it's a one time ना investment. Who doesn't have a 25,000 का phone? हम लोग के रूम के छोड़ के. The basic people have a 25,000 का phone. Right, wrong? Yeah. So with this one time investment is going to benefit you till you're on earth.
Yeah. And actually, when you were talking about numbers, I actually saw the change in my husband because he's a number 7. And since he's taken up sports, that he's training for Ironman and aggressively training right now, I suddenly feel like मुझे जो कुछ चाहिए था in my husband, I'm getting. All the stability, calmness, maturity, wisdom, everything how I wanted. And until then, until he took up sports, he was a lot of like fluid energy.
After I told you that he needs exercise and
He has started.
Yeah.
He started, but when you said it, it got validated. He's on the right path.
first thing for number 7 here also I said, start exercising, do little meditation. Then your mind remains calm.
Yeah, and I actually saw that. My next question, Shweta ji, is that Vastu, astrology, numerology, इतनी सारी डिफरेंट थॉट्स एंड फेट्स हैं तो एक सुपरस्टिशन भी बन जाता है, एक कंफ्यूजन भी रहता है क्या एग्जैक्टली फॉलो करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. हाउ डू वी नो हमारे को क्या करना चाहिए, हाउ डू वी डिसाइड where to begin?
See, as I told you, astrologic chart na kari डराते हैं. All of y'all must have experience now. किसी भी गुरुजी के पास जाओ, he is going to tell you what, and then they don't have any इलाज. वास्तु में क्या है, what है, इलाज करो. My whole house is वास्तु. Recently again I have shifted because now my husband and my son-in-law into वास्तु. वो घर में ही पकड़ा उनका पहला मिल गया, वापस सब मेरा बेडरूम में इधर. फ्रॉम आई टू जस्ट वाज स्लीपिंग हियर, आई स्टार्टेड स्लीपिंग हियर, आई एम गेटिंग बेटर स्लीप, सेम बेडरूम, सिर्फ साइड चेंज किया. मीन्स इतना सा भी फर्क पड़ता है. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज, ऑल माइट हैव सीन माय ओल्ड वीडियोस आल्सो, आई कीप प्रमोटिंग वास्तु. नॉट टुडे बिकॉज माय फैमिली इज डूइंग इट, बट फ्रॉम डे वन आई प्रमोट वास्तु. संजय का घर, मेरा घर, माय चिल्ड्रंस हाउस, फोड़ फोड़ के हम लोग वेस्ट कर देंगे वो एरिया, बट वी नेवर not do vastu in any of our properties. So vastu करो and numerology करो. पंडित जी के साथ वो ग्रह चलते होंगे, whatever वो भगवान ने हमारे अभी, I always give this example. We buy a phone, we buy a TV, a moped, a scooter, car. इतना मोटा guidelines का बुक आता है, आप खोल के देखते हैं. So that Janam Kundli is a guidelines का book. We have been born with certain stars governing us at that time. And they keep changing every few years. Because Sweta Jumani hasn't changed, no, 25 years. एक बार Sweta Jumani आ गई. See what we are doing, we are changing you completely. You are a new personality. रुचिरा को A बोला है, extra A. Afterwards I got the message ना, extra A डालना है, बस हो गया, एक A डालना है. हमने जमानी में 2 A डाला. So इतना सा करके, if your whole personality is changing, why not? शोभा ने बहुत साल पहले कहा था, तुषार कपूर के नाम में 2 स्टार के, इफ यू कैन गिव गुड मूवीज आई पुट 5. Then my father wrote to her, Shobha ji, you're very lucky. All you have to do is add 1 A, don't have to add 5. And abhi bhi I see her reels, my God, does she look 78, 80? She's looking the same what she was looking that time. And better, in fact better.
बर्थ प्लेस, बर्थ टाइम, इसका भी कुछ इम्पैक्ट होता है हमारे डेस्टिनी पे?
जो हमारे कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है, हम उसके क्या करें बातें.
Okay.
That's what I say. Even our birth dates, our numbers, is it in our control? अब ये नया लोशो ग्रिड चल रहा है, which I don't understand. My clients only ask me, Madam, I have learned numerology. मुझे न्यूमरोलॉजी आती है. ऐसा अच्छा क्या सीखा तुमने? वो लोशो ग्रिड में ऐसे ऐसे ये नंबर नहीं है. अब तुम्हारे बर्थ डेट में तुमको सब 9 मिलेंगे. Some number will be Latino or more like people all born on 1966, like me. तो 2 छक्के उधर आ गए ना. So everybody cannot get 1 to 9 सब numbers. कुछ ना कुछ तो मिसिंग होगा. तो फिर वो न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट कुछ मिसिंग नंबर को लेके शुरू हो जाते हैं, जो तुम्हारे पास नहीं है. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो है उसको ठीक कर दो. नहीं है, नहीं है, क्या करेंगे? Let it go. Now, what is in our hand? Signing every day, wearing our colors every day, changing our name in the gazette, bank, passport, PAN card. होती है तकलीफ, मगर वो तकलीफ तुम्हारे बाकी तकलीफों से तो बहुत कम है. एक बार नाम चेंज कराना, द मेस पीपल आर इनटू, उससे तो बहुत कम है.
Lovely. I can go on, but I think some of you might also have questions. So can you take a few audience questions?
sure.
What is? Anybody has a question? Yeah, sure.
Hi, ma'am. This is Manali, a great and big fan of yours. I've been following you and Sanjay sir since a very long time. I have a few set of questions. So, as you said about the birthday number and the name, am I audible? So, as you told me about told us about the birth date, the fate number, and the name. So, does it relate like the full name? For example, my name is Manali Shadija. So the number has to be the total of the full name or just the name? How does it matter?
Both ways.
Okay.
Yeah, I have brought Sweta on a good number and then Sweta Yamani on a good number. That way you should do.
So
Or sometimes only this chelta hai, but never odd combination.
Okay.
Yeah. Look to numerology, let me do it for you.
And आपने और एक चीज बताया ना, जैसे नंबर्स का आपने डिटेल दिया 1 to 9 एंड किसी का नंबर कुछ पहले इम्प्लाई करता है और बाद में, वैसे ही उसी स्काई में नाम का नंबर, डेस्टिनी नंबर, ये सारे नंबर्स इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज एज यू गेव द डिटेल्स इट एक्चुअली हैपेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई बर्थ डेट इज 5 एंड माई नेम टोटल इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. तो जो दो नंबर आते हैं या डेस्टिनी नंबर आते हैं, तो कौन सा किस पे भारी है बस.
इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ एक बार तुम्हारे नाम की टोटल सेट है ना,
हाँ,
तो कुछ नहीं मैटर करता.
okay. So destiny and other numbers
Even the
are
predictions, no, my monthly predictions are coming on YouTube. Yearly predictions are coming on YouTube. So when my Jumani flap fight, people ask me, I told you Parsu should come Nagpur. So she's saying I'm a number 9 next year to a number 1. I said, tu Jumani fight hai bhai. This is not for you. Because I am Jumani fight, the 5 years of Shani has been good for me. And I don't see anything bad happening because our science is progressing, our work is beautiful. If your product is good, it has to sell. There's no two ways about it. So once you're Jumanified, you know certain secrets. ये जो हम लोग ने आपको बताए हैं ना सीक्रेट्स ओपनली, बहुत कुछ बताए हैं, लेकिन दो तीन तो अब तक स्क्रिप्ट रखते ही है ना. So 2-3 secrets more are there which we tell only paid clients. That all these things na just doesn't matter. You're a new person. Every morning you're a new person.
and one last question. As you told about colors, so I agree on the black color, but then अभी जैसे आपने बताया बहुत सारे पंडित जी डरा देते हैं बहुत सारी चीजों को. दे ऑल्सो केयर अबाउट अदर कलर्स. ये कलर का मत पहनो, आप पे ये कलर अच्छा नहीं है. सो डज इट रियली मैटर अपार्ट फ्रॉम ब्लैक?
Yeah, except black and red, you can wear everything.
Okay.
Yellow gives a little lot of energy, so शायद किसी को yellow ना suit हो. Blue is the evergreen. Blue is the evergreen because see the sky is blue. We are all under the blue umbrella. The most calming, peaceful, most lucky color. तो blue बिंदास पहनो, मैं तो पागल हूँ. That's okay. But तुम लोग at least one part of your clothing blue करो.
शनि के लिए भी ब्लू चलेगा?
शनि के लिए कौन सा स्टोन पहना जाता है?
Sapphire.
Yes, sapphire is what I've heard, but I'm not very sure. I am not.
Yeah, it's a blue sapphire. And the color of that is blue. ये शनि को काटने के लिए ब्लू कलर का स्टोन पहना जाता है. उस शनि को काटने के लिए ही ब्लू कलर के कपड़े पहने जाते हैं. सो ये सब चीजें ना ऐसे वो लोग धुंधला करके रखेंगे आपको. क्या बोलूं कह रही हो कि ब्लू कलर तो बहुत अनलकी है, शनि का है, और स्टोन तो तुमको ब्लू कलर का देते हैं, ब्लू सफायर. सो सिंपल लॉजिक. फिर देते हैं अमावस आ गया, अमावस, माय गॉड अमावस अमावस. अरे अमावस के दिन ही तो लक्ष्मी पूजा होती है और घर में दिवाली अमावस की बाद आती है, नवरात्रि अमावस के बाद आती है, एंड गणपति बप्पा अमावस के बाद आते हैं. चांद अमावस के बाद दिखाई देगा तब उनकी ईद आती है. So if you are not dead, how can you be alive again? So that Amavas is where the new growth starts. So you should always do anything after Amavas, not on the day or one day later, but you've seen na Dhanteras, Vanteras, Lakshmi Puja के एक दो दिन बाद आता है ना. So all good things start after Amavas. So don't get scared of Amavas. In fact, Purnima में stress होता है. We women especially go through all that nonsense. Body, bakery, mind and all that stuff. वो पूर्णिमा पे ज़्यादा होता है. अमावस पे things are good.
Thank you so much. I like this piece.
Ma'am, while you were telling about the names and the numbers, so it happened that I just found out from A to Z we have numbers specified. So I got two things here, two charts I got. One says Z is 8 and the other says Z is 7.
Now I'm not here to give you away all my secrets. So sorry that I will not mention. I have no dots in this one.
And ma'am, one more thing, you were also talking about destiny number. Like every, if you're Pisces or Aries or Taurus, we have specific number. Even two numbers are appearing. Like Pisces is 2 and 9 both. Like Leo is 1 and 4 both. So this also.
Pisces are not 2 and 9.
I know. Just so we have to see. This is what appeared.
Don't believe everything that appears over there.
Okay.
So the zodiac number is according to the month only?
No.
Oh.
Now, August is number 8th month, but it's ruled by Leo, which is 1 and 4. What chart has shown you about Leo is correct,
Okay.
but about Pisces is wrong.
Pisces is wrong.
Yeah.
Pisces.
And 2 is always with 7, 1 is always with 4,
2 is always with 7 and
1 is always with 4. So, when we are talking about a number 2 person, he also has characteristics of a 4, of a 7, and 7 number has characteristics of few. 1 has some characteristics of 4, and 4 has some characteristics of 1.
Become
They
5.
are a team. 5 is full 5.
Also, it is full 5. Now, one more thing, where you were telling, so I was also noting it down. So you said 1 is governed by Sun. So what is number 3 governed by?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. And number 7 is governed by?
Neptune.
Ma'am, just in the previous question, you said that black and red should be avoided, right? So why red? Or then should be there.
I say no, red is danger. When you see red signal, you stop. When you see danger road, you stop. Shero wali bata is full red. She's sitting on the lion. You can do that too. So, हम लोगों के लिए एक चुटकी सिंदूर is enough. Marwadis love red for functions. पहले जमाने में लेडीज को रेड बनाया जाता था, एनर्जी पैरों में भी अंतर लगाया जाता था, सो दैट शी इज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड हस्बैंड हैज अ गुड टाइम. समझ में आया? सो अभी हम सब पैदाइशी रावण हैं. सो नाउ यू हैव टू रिड्यूस द रेड. पहले सौम्य होती थी लड़कियां, उनको ट्रेनिंग ऐसे दी जाती थी कि तुम सौम्य हो, गाय के जैसे उधर पड़ी रहना, हस्बैंड के सामने नो नहीं खोलना, घूंघट लगाओ. उसने खोला तो खोला, नहीं खोलेगा तो सुबह तक ऐसे That is all old stories. We have to change with times. And as I said, red also signifies stop, don't go there. So when a married woman is wearing red, the other idiots are not supposed to look at her because she's taken. That was one thing, energy was second. Now all girls are running Christian shifts, as you all know. And it's right, because they're so angry already. We have to wear pistols.
Ma'am, I have a question. So I'm number 8. In school, I used to write Prabjot as J-O-T. After school, वो स्कूल वाले ने डॉक्यूमेंट्स में सर्टिफिकेट में वाई ऐड कर दिया. सो लाइफ इतनी भी कोई खास पहले नहीं थी, उसके बाद तो और ज़्यादा आई थिंक.
बस आओ.
And does it also affect your business name? Like your name, does it affect the business name?
Yes. See, many clients come to me, अभी तो मुझे सिर्फ बिजनेस का ही कराना है. ऐसे जब तुम बिजनेस कंसल्टेशन के लिए आते हो मेरे पास, आई विल डू encouraging the spelling in the business, but that is half done job. Because बिजनेस चलाने वाला कौन है? So I can make your ऑल्टो into a Mercedes. मगर ड्राइवर अगर बीमार है, ड्राइवर को ये नहीं पता है मेरे मोबाइल नंबर्स क्या होने चाहिए, मेरे बैंक अकाउंट के नंबर का टोटल क्या होना चाहिए, साइन कब करनी चाहिए, क्या करनी चाहिए, कौन से डेट पे स्टार्ट करना है, कौन से प्रोडक्ट बेचना है. Why is everybody struggling? Because they don't know whether I am meant for import export, or I'm meant for technical, or I'm meant for a petrol pump. People don't know. Everybody is trying business. चलो ये बिजनेस चल रहा है. ऐसे होता तो सबके रेस्टोरेंट चलते. ऐसे होता तो करोड़ों जो खड़े हो गए न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट, वो भी हमारे लेवल पे आ सकते थे. इनको ही नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज दे गॉट इनटू दिस फॉर मनी. When you come to us, we give you 4-5 pages written analysis, जिसमें तुम फॉरेन जाओगे कि नहीं, चांसेस कितने ब्राइट हैं. सब लोग PR डाल के बैठ चुके हैं, लगता ही नहीं है लोगों का नंबर, और किसी किसी का ऐसे हो जाता है. करेक्ट? सो फॉरेन whether you will go or no, what is your education, what is your health problem, what career will suit you, ये सब कुछ इतना क्लियर हो जाता है, and then you start going for that.
And there's also a color of what you're using for the brand name.
Of course. So these are two separate consultations. Today I'm busy. Tomorrow, today आज का हो चुका है, and I hope they have informed you. In Pune, my fees are 30,300. I hope you guys know that. Here के लिए Nasik being a little smaller city, because I want to now capture the locals also. So I made it 24,000 for this city. And for you to और भी सस्ता because of Ruchira 21,300. So is
Thank you so much, and it's a privilege for all the wow in, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So I'll just give you my number once again. वैसे तुम लोगों के पास आ चुका है ना?
If you're on the group wow group, you would have got the number.
Got the numbers, call up and take appointment. कल मिलेगा, आज is full.
So for two simple questions, like repeating number कितना important होता है या बिल्कुल नहीं उसका impact ज़्यादा होता है जैसे I am born on 10, 11 and 89.
That-
1.
Doesn't matter, you can't change it, overlook. But if your mobile numbers are having all repeating numbers, you can change the mobile number. Don't go after things which cannot be changed. From past
Dominate me?
huh?
One is going to dominate me because
You are your one, you will dominate people. सूरज को कौन dominate?
I didn't hear the
One कौन तुमको dominate करेगा? तू भी बढ़ दो. In your house, you're the man. I don't know your life, but I know you're the man. Because you have so many ones, किसी की चलेगी नहीं. So again, इसका इलाज यही है. Bring a name total on the number which we can, sober the qualities of this number one. That is where my numerology is, why it is expanded, is because we are giving you solutions. Not only scaring you, अरे तुम्हारे में इतना है, तुम्हारे में double अच्छा नहीं होता है. We are giving you a solution for that.
so recurring is positive also.
Yes, why not?
And another like हमने जितनी न्यूमरोलॉजी में बात की कहीं पे भी जीरो नहीं है. So I am born on 10, that is 1 and 0. तो जीरो का कोई इम्पोर्टेंस है या जस्ट
No, zero का importance counting में नहीं आएगा. You will still be a number one.
Hello, ma'am. My question is, does Vedic astrology and numerology, do they complement each other? Or
What is Vedic? Vedic.
ये जो कुंडली जो देखते हैं.
हाँ, that too I took up the topic ना. That is your horoscope. You're born with that.
Yes.
Correct? अभी उसको देख देख के उसमें लिखा रहेगा तुम ये साल से ये साल तक सेटबैक आएगा, तुम्हारी शादी ये साल तक नहीं होगी. Nothing good is ever written over there. And that chapter closes after we take up spellings. That chapter you have to close. Now this I'll give an example. Fracture हुआ है आपका कभी? Fracture किसी और का घर में फैमिली मेंबर, किसके घर में हुआ है फ्रैक्चर किसी का? Where is your fracture का sheet? Don't know. That is your जन्म कुंडली. क्योंकि वो आपको सिर्फ ऐसे बताएगी कि तुम्हारी टांग टूटी हुई है, ये हड्डी टूटी हुई है, वो हड्डी टूटी हुई है. तो वो चीज हमारे कोई काम की नहीं होती है. जो एक्सरे का मैकेनिक होता है, जो वो एक्सरे निकालता है, he will tell you please take this and go to the doctor. डॉक्टर आपको इलाज देगा. तो वो डॉक्टर न्यूरोलॉजी है. हड्डी टूट गई है, अभी क्या करेंगे, कैसे रेक्टिफाई करेंगे? सो डोंट लुक एट दैट बुक बिकॉज एवरी टाइम इट चेंजेस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एवरीथिंग इनसाइड दैट इज रॉन्ग. इट माइट बी राइट, इट माइट बी करेक्ट, बट we can't live in fear because I'm going through it just now. That Shani की महादशा. So that scared me for some time. क्योंकि पता ही नहीं होता है तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं होता क्या हो रहा है. अभी पता है तो it plays on my mind now.
Thank you.
सब लोग 37.5 से इतने डरते हैं मेरे तो आके देख, पता ही नहीं चला कब आई कब गई. ये मेरे को पता चल गया तो फिर बढ़िया दिन आ गए.
Hello, ma'am. Good to hear and attend your session. Very, very happy to be here. I just wanted to know, curiosity, what is a good number partners?
See, if you're not married,
Yeah.
then you have to. And of course, because I don't say to go unhappy कि I'm married को रहूँगा.
नाम चेंज करा लेंगे मैम. नाम चेंज करा लेंगे.
वो तो सबको वैसे ही आना है. आ जाओ, कल आओ. आज कंजूसी करोगे, कल मेरे बूढ़े ऑफिस में 30,000 लेके आओगे, या तुम वीडियो कॉल में 24 खर्चा करोगे. वो तो होना ही है. मेरे चुंगल से कोई नहीं बचता है, आज नहीं तो कल. So every this I will discuss this only for unmarried people because what I don't want to put that fear in your head. अभी नहीं है compatible तो क्या?
ज्यादा कंपैटिबिलिटी हो सकता है, मतलब ज्यादा खुशी हो सकती है.
मेरे हस्बैंड और मेरा ज्यादा compatible है. I chose his birthday and got married. I'm married 37 years. I'm happily married. उनकी शक्ल पे हैप्पीनेस नहीं नजर. Tell me yours.
Mine is 12th October and my husband is 10th August.
Love marriage.
Yes.
तुम कितना भी दादागिरी करो, he is going to remain दादा. So you're fine.
Everyone calls him Dada.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. And the problem is you are too strong to be a woman. तो तुम्हारा तो दुनिया के लिए दादा होएगा, उसको तुम जगह पे रखती हो. Very true, ma'am.
See, one last question. Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
My question was, what is a master number? Like, if you, which comes in a destiny number where you calculate.
Yeah, I have heard of 11, 33, 22 as master numbers. But because the father has not taught me, I don't know. I am a blind follower. जो नॉनिक चल रही है वो बेचो. नया नया सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Like my client Mansi, everybody knows in Pune studio, she has her own. She's very very good. I wanted to name some of my women now since this is wow. I've written down and come. वो पेपर उसने दिया देखो. Women achievers के बारे में मेरे को बताना था तुम लोगों को. So Mansi is one of them. She had a little parlor. Now she is minting a lot and she is one of the best over there. तो उससे ये सीखने को मिला. I said, why don't you start nails? तो she said, I'm good at hair. If I start nails, मैं किसी और को पेट काटूंगी and I'm not good at nails. So I will be wasting energy on something I'm not good. Got it? So I don't want to do nails. दूसरे लोग को कमाने दो. So you have to see your plus points, your qualities. Got it?
Thank you so much, Shwetaji. This was amazing session. You're not only a great numerologist, but you're an excellent speaker. You kept us all engaged, alive,
And
happy.
Then you say thank you. Sorry. So this is Nikita Takle. Who has heard of her? Formula One racer. She's my client from past 10-15 years and now all her full family is in sports. She's a Formula One. Now I just asked her for this year car in the morning before coming here. First in international class Malaysia, first in junior class title championship. This is all Malaysia. First in women and women's title champion. Third in 1800cc class. UAE. This 9 months का record only है. घर पे उसके पता नहीं कितना होगा. UAE first in FWD class, first in women's class, first in international class. सब में. Thailand first in international cup, first in women's class. Indonesia Asia Pacific Championship, first in RCW, first in women class, third in NVA. Total 14 international trophies this year, only 19 months.
Wow.
And
That's amazing.
yeah. For Nikita Takle, Yusuf. Once more, can you all clap for Nikita Takle? Then we have Yastika Bhatia. You know, everybody knows her. Cricket. Yesterday, she made 59 runs in 70 balls, 66 in 71 balls, 42 in 54 balls. Then we have Harmanpreet Kaur, Pooja Vastrakar, Humaira Kazi. These all are women cricketers. Now, not only male cricketers are coming, like you know, Ronald Pandey as his brother, but women cricketers, women hockey, women formula, everywhere. And students ने तो इतना किया है. It's best to take appointment for your children from 4th, 5th standard if you come to know कि भाई इसको किधर हम लोग push कर सकते हैं. Now, I remember this story. I think last time also I said, I told this child, according to his date of birth, you should learn different languages. Your grasping power is good in language. Family didn't know anything. They just went and put him बाजू में German था तो German में डाल दिया. And within 6 months, the exam, he got 98%.
Wow.
So all these things are like, you know, I've bet she messaged me na, thank you ma'am, my child got 98%. हमें तो पता ही नहीं था German language क्या होती है. आपके कहने पे we did it. I literally cried reading the phone. Because all these news when we hear ना किसी के घर में बच्चा हो रहा है, कोई cancer patient ठीक हो रहा है, that is beyond money. Beyond money. It's so beautiful. Slowly changing लोगों की किस्मत. चलो, bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being so lovely, attentive audience. Thank you.
Ma'am, just okay. I will be audible. So, like you just spoke about children, right? Okay, so if my son, he's number one, like born on number one, and he's more into sports. So for them, if we do this, they have more
Yes,
focus.
yes. So now people have again come to me and said, मेरा बच्चा क्रिकेट में बहुत अच्छा है, सचिन तेंदुलकर बन सकता है क्या? ऐसा मुझे ही नहीं पता था कि मैं श्वेता चमानी बन सकती हूँ. So how can I give you any guarantee card? But yes, it helps. Now वो कहाँ से आया था? बिहार से ना? बिहार से when child came, he was performing in Goa. गोवा से पूना मेरे को खास मिलने आए कि he is doing well but always reaching the second, third. So first of all, your child is in sports. Enjoy that. Then numerology will definitely help. One more Charika example I remember. She came as a newborn. And she was a 24th November or something. So I said, सब कुछ कराओ, dance, music, painting, पढ़ाई छोड़ के सब कुछ कराओ. That is my funda. My niece introduced her would-be husband to me, how she calls me Ma. She's saying, Ma, you're going to like Sahil a lot. I said, why? He's 10th class. मेरे घर में बच्चे ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहते हैं. टुडे ही सिटिंग इन दुबई. आई डोंट नो लीगल करता है, इलीगल करता है, वो बिटकॉइन सब पैसे का बहुत बड़ा गेम खेल रहा है. 10th पास है इसलिए कर रहा है ना. अभी तो वो बैठ के अभी तक पढ़ाई करता होता है. ही इज ओनली 25. सो you should know what the person is good at and push. The spelling will help. I gave example when I gave it on a reel. Jitesh Pillai just wrote 24 in the body's pad and he was playing for Chandigarh. Suddenly he goes into Preeti's industry. Then he goes into India. Then he now comes into Bangalore. Bangalore का क्या RCB विराट कोहली के टीम में. He contacts me after he got Preeti Zinta. First जब जैसे IPL में उसको चांस लग गया, अपॉइंटमेंट लिया. मैम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट 30 नंबर वीडियो. मैं अपने बैच पे 24 लिखने लगा एंड आई स्टार्टेड परफॉर्मिंग सो वेल. नाउ आई एम इन प्रीति ज़िंटा's टीम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले विद इंडिया. फिर इंडिया में भी एक उसका टूर्नामेंट हुआ साउथ अफ्रीका लकीगल. एंड देन दिस IPL सडनली आई सॉ ही इज रीच्ड विराट कोहली एंड दैट टीम वन. तो एक जुमानी फाइट भी है उधर जितेश कुमार. So like this, there are hundreds of thousands of cases which we do every day. सबका याद नहीं रहता है. But yes, please allow your children to follow their passion. My daughter is in dance, no education after 12th standard. I hope you'll follow her also on Instagram. She's a beautiful 5 feet, I don't know how much, Pehlwan, and the way she moves her body in dance, I will love it. Her name is Yuteka, Yutika, TRRIPATI, dance. She runs her own dance academy. She doesn't want to go Bollywood. अपना डांस क्लास चलाती है शाम को. Morning she takes care of her twin kids. Evening 4-5 hours she is at her studio. Enough. Everybody in my house follows passion. We don't really have any hardcore business.
That's beautiful. And actually, thanks Rashmi for asking that question because मैं भी खुश रही अभी मेरा बच्चा he started dating or something. Should I start seeing all these girls cut now?
बचपन में my father taught me what is lucky for me. Who is lucky for me? We have to know. बचपन my daughter, touch wood, she got a very handsome guy. My son-in-law Siddharth, who is a vastu consultant and a fitness expert. He is very good looking and he's a fitness expert. तो उसकी body भी मस्त है. But she also married him for his date of birth. So I told him, I said, रणवीर सिंह दिखता होगा मगर शादी तो जैसे हमने बर्थडे के वजह से की है.
नहीं मेरे को तो मेरे लिए देखना पड़ेगा ना. वो ठीक ठाक आनी चाहिए करके. Minal, you can take over. Thank you so much. We had such a lovely time.
Thank you, Rishida. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. I love talking about numbers. So any opportunity I don't miss.